saying just say what it's supposed to be. It has to be 0 or bigger. Okay. Should we do another one real quick right next to it? You like that one? We'll do one more radical in a second here because they're all like that. We'll do a double. Let's do h of x 6 over x plus 4. Okay. Read that okay? Make it big. Bigger, 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 bigger. The denominator issue, that's the one where you say, oh, yeah, x plus 4. We want to make sure it's not equal to 0. This is the one where there's not really anything that you can do except set it equal to 0, like it's going to mess up. X plus 4, set it equal to 0. Find out where 0 happens, because that's the no-no. Super naughty. And so once we get negative 4, we go in there and say, cross that out. That's the one we can't have. We're forcing an error. Forced errors. What is that? Is that? They do that in a couple sports. Forced errors, baseball, and then do they do it in tennis? They record forced errors. Are you a tennis player?
They do unforced errors, but not forced.
Okay, that's what I messed up. So unforced errors. That's what you record? Oh, thanks. There are many things I don't know of which I speak. It depends on you guys. Negative infinity to negative 4. Union negative 4 to infinity. That's that notation that says everything there. You can say, and especially in our conversations, this is the same as all real except negative 4. X equals negative 4. That's also another way to say it, but what we're looking for is a little more practice in this interval notation stuff. That's what my math lab asks for, and pretty common for all our purposes. Okay. What do you think? You okay with those so far? Wanna halt me anywhere? Take me back? I'm going to go purple. I need purple. Okay, on to C. This is the double whammy. This has got it all. Okay, G. Yo, forgot the G of x. Square root of x on top. No way. And x minus 5 on the bottom. If you've got both, you have to deal with both. So we're going to deal with both issues. I'm going to go with the radical first. And in the radical, I have to deal with x has to be greater than or equal to 0. And that's it. I'm done. I don't even have to solve that. I should put it in interval notation, 0 to infinity. That part I need. But one of the things I know is that up top here, my radical piece has to be greater than or equal to 0. It's just x. That's nice. The denominator, that's another issue. Denom. That one, x minus 5, we got to make sure, when would it be 0? Solve it. Get positive 5. Cross out the equal because it cannot be that thing. And then we do our interval notation. So everything but 5. Negative infinity to 5. Union 5 to infinity. Like that one? Okay. And we'll throw in that, I think we got pieces of, what time do we have? This might be a good time to break and just get to some work. Yeah, totally a good time to stop. So I'm going to halt here. We'll pick up where we left up on that tomorrow, but that stuff's loaded. And I'll hit pause or stop or whatever. So that'll be a 2-part